Jayco is celebrating 50 years in the business, and you get the gifts. Today we are going to take an in-depth look at the new Jayco 30X Greyhawk offered by Worldwide RV in Mesa, Arizona. Starting with the massive E450 Ford chassis and adding their patented J-Ride package, this ensures the most comfortable and safe ride available in a C-Class motorhome today. Generous storage compartments are located on both sides, providing ample storage for all your recreational equipment. Easily deployable automatic electric steps make it a snap to enter or exit the RV safely. An oversized electric vinyl awning opens at the touch of a switch and also includes a bright LED light strip that provides excellent light when the party continues well into the night. A driver's side full-length slide-out offers unprecedented additional living space for comfort and convenience, enough room to sleep 6 happy campers. The unique Dream Dinette folds down in seconds to provide that extra sleeping space if needed, much like the adjacent sofa. A spacious queen-size bed and plenty of wardrobe storage is matched only by the full-size shower, providing the comfort of home during your adventures. The full kitchen features 3-burner gas stove, state-of-the-art microwave, dual deep sinks, and an oversized cutting board. When you turn around, a full-size refrigerator features side-by-side doors as well as an oversized freezer. Moving to the front, overstuffed electric driver and navigator seats are designed for long-range comfort and feature a full range of motion. With the addition of 2 extra side cameras located on the mirrors, safety is of the utmost importance. If you like what you see, come on down and see us at Worldwide RV.